Hello everyone, my name is Nusaiba Zaman Munta. I'm a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning and also reading in Radio School in Khaliji. I'm 12 years old, I'm in class 6. So today I'm going to talk about online education nowadays. So online education is really getting popular and common nowadays. It is also helpful for our studies. It gives us many other benefits. We can do it through different types of video calling apps like Zoom or Google Meet. It is really useful. These online classes are really getting popular, and it is also common to us because of the calamity or of the natural pandemic COVID-19. After that, we are continuing our studies through these online classes. So these online classes are really beneficial and also are really useful for us. So that's all about online education nowadays. Thank you.